and soil was dry. Mike watered the plant. Why Mike watered the plant?
Because the soil.
Yeah. Because, for example, I am wearing, for example, I have eye weakness. I'm wearing contact lenses. So why I'm wearing contact lenses? Because I have eye weakness. So my eyes are weak. So what is the cause? Weakness. And effect, wearing lenses. Okay, for example, we can say it was raining and Mike, for example, I don't know, Mike wore a rain jacket and rain boots. Cause rain. Effect, wearing rain jacket and rain boots. Okay, so when we say cause and effect, it means something happened and actually it caused another thing. Well, look, now can you give me an example of cause and effect? Yeah.
I don't know.
Thank you. Why are you wearing glasses? Why are
mà thì là start grad Alice don't go to school.
Okay, very good. Well, so look at this one. For example, you got a medal. Okay, why? Because you studied hard. So cause, actually good score. Effect, getting a medal. So that is cause and effect. And now look, Greg enjoyed. Could you read this one, please, Mary?
Greg enjoyed taking care of tomato plants on the farm. He gave them plenty of water every day. In a few weeks, they grew tall and had many red tomatoes.
So, what is cause? What is effect?
The cause is Greg take care of tomato plants, and the effect is in the few weeks they grew tall and had many red tomatoes.
Of course, perfect, very good. Okay, and now we have a text. You want to read? Or you want to listen? You want to read?
Listen.
What? Listen. Okay. Okay. 2:45. Just one moment. Oxford, where are you? Okay, Oxford Discover. Well, it's 45.
Page 150. Read. The life of a sunflower. A sunflower's life begins with a seed. To turn that seed into a plant, we first need to fill a pot with a bag of soil. Plant the seed about 1 or 2 centimeters under the soil. Moisten the soil with a cup of water. With the right amount of water and warmth, the seed will sprout in about 1 week. As the sunflower grows up out of the soil, its roots grow down. These roots get water and food from the soil, helping the sunflower to grow. A single smooth stem grows higher and higher above the ground, with wide leaves growing out of the stem along the way. Water and food go up through the roots, through the stem, and into the leaves. 30 days after the plant comes out of the ground, the flower of the sunflower plant begins to grow. The flower is round and flat, with bright yellow petals that grow around it. When bees come to get nectar from the flower, they bring pollen with them from other flowers. This
Pollination.
pollen helps new sunflower seeds to grow in the flat part of the flower. Did you know that a sunflower always turns toward the sun? The sunflower, like all plants, uses sunlight in a special way. The leaves of the sunflower turn sunlight into energy for the plant. When leaves make this energy, they make oxygen too. As the sunflower comes to the end of its life, the sunflower seeds dry up. Some of them fall into the soil, where they will grow into new sunflowers the next year. Birds eat some of the seeds. People take the sunflower seeds and eat them too. The seeds also have sunflower oil in them, which people use for cooking. Like all plants, the sunflower is very important for life on Earth. It gives us oxygen. It provides food for humans and animals, and it brings color and beauty to our planet. We must remember to take care of the plants in our world, because they take care of us.
Oh, wow. So we know this one, but let's see. We have some words. Sprout, round, flat, important. So, guess the meaning of this word, sprout. Let's find it. You know?
No, 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 no.
Look. Let me show you. Look. Oh, what is this line? Why the line is this way? Yeah, this one. Sprout, grow. Sprout means to grow. Comes out of soil. And we have this one, okay, that is moisten. What is this? It means make it wet. Make it wet. Water it, then make it wet. Okay? And let's find round. Can you see the
Round, not around, it's like a circle, yeah.
Of course. And very good. And how about flat? It's flat. Yeah? Flat. Yeah. And now let's see. Of course, we talked about these words, and we're not going to talk about them again, but let's match them. Wait. Of course, we know importance. And yeah. So let's see. Write the correct word under each picture. This one is?
Leaf.
Is.
Leaf. Oh,
Is.
no, root. I see the leaf. I see the leaf.
Shy leaves. They are under the ground. Okay. This one is?
The stem.
Stem. Okay, this one?
Seed.
Yeah, this one?
Leaf.
And?
Beetle.
What? Petals.
Petal.
What is petal? No, petal. Petals. Say?
Petal. Petal.
Paddle. Yeah, very. It's just like paddle. Do you remember? This is paddle. So we have a lot of words the same pronunciation. Okay, Mary, let's match each cause with an effect. Write the letters, then I will ask you a few questions related to the text. The sunflower seed is planted and watered. So, effect is?
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. The sunflower seed plant and water. Then.
Okay, what happened?
The seed starts to grow in 1 week.
Yes. Yes, good job. And number 2, water and food come up through the roots and stem.
They make oxygen too.
Water and food come up through the roots and stem. They make oxygen too. Okay, number 3.
The leaf of the sunflower use sunlight to make energy. No. The two.
Yeah. Yeah.
Two is the bee.
Yeah.
Nope. Two is the eye. The stem grow higher.
Read all of them, okay. Read all of them, don't rush. Okay. And then, so.
The sunflower use sunlight to make energy and they make oxygen too.
Yeah, okay, so number 4, the bee brings pollen to
the sunflower. No sunflower seeds grow on the flower.
Okay, well, very good. Okay, and now match each word to part of speech. Then, so we know, okay, if it's adjective, if it's noun, if it's verb. Okay, so and the meaning. Sprout is adjective or verb. It means grow.
Adjective.
Yes, and means.
Adjective. To begin grow.
Okay, yes.
What happened on brown?
Round.
Brown is the adjective.
Adjective means. Okay.
Have the show.
Flat.
Flat is verb.
Is verb. Flat is verb. No. No. Flat is adjective. No.
Flat.
No.
Flat.
No.
Flat means something you must still have.
What?
Or when allowed
No. Flat. Smooth. With a level surface like this. I told you. Important is.
adjective.
Means.
Something you must have.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay, well, so just let me, let me show you something, Mary, what I have. Look. Look. We can choose color. Ooh, look.
Yep.
Can you see?
Yep.
Can you see? What color? Let me choose another blue for you.
Light blue.
Yeah, this one is good.
Yep.
Yeah, this one.
Yep. Very good.
Good.
Okay, you down. Some down, please.
Down.
Okay, yeah.
Oh. And we can darken it like this or.
No, please.
Okay, so it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, look what I found for you. This is Mary's color. This is your color. Look. Yeah, look. Okay, Mary's color. I want to name it Mary. Wow. Well, and now let's see what we have. Listen, just before it, I'm going to ask you a few questions related to the text because we read it, but I actually haven't asked you any questions. Well, the first one, tell me about the process of growing sunflower.
First, the sunflower line begin with the seed that turn the seed that into the plant. We first need to fill a pot with soil.
What is that? What are you saying?
A sunflower line begin with a seed, then we put it in the back of the soil. Then we need then to the root means
we don't use a pot, but we use it in a bag of soil. That is impossible. We need a pot to to fill a pot with a bag of soil. So
we put it or cover water with farm. Then the seed will sprout in about 1 week.
yeah, very good. And let me say, okay, ask you. Okay. The next one, okay. What happens when leaves make energy from sunlight? Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. The sunflower, like our plant, use sunlight in special way. The leaf of the sunflower turn sunlight into energy for the plant. When leaves make energy, they make oxygen too.
Oxygen, of course. So finally, they make oxygen so that we can breathe, so we don't die. So that's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, and what happens after bees bring pollen to the sunflower?
It makes new sunflower.
Oh, look at this one. As the sunflower comes to the end of its life, the sunflower seeds dry up and we can eat them.
Yep.
Some of them fall into the soil where they will grow into new sunflowers next year. That's really good. Birds can eat some of them. And of course, they provide food. They give food, they prepare food for us, human. Yep. That's really good. Well, and now let's listen. What is this? Let's listen. 1 moment, please.
Page 153. Grammar in use. D. Listen and sing along. In your shopping bag.
What do you have in your shopping bag?
I have a big loaf of bread.
What else do you have in your shopping bag?
A jar of strawberry jam.
What else do you have in your shopping bag?
A bottle of fresh cold milk. And a box of raisins and cookies in a pack. Time for my afternoon snack. What do you have in your shopping bag?
I have a big loaf of bread.
What else do you have in your shopping bag?
A jar of strawberry jam.
What else do you have in your shopping bag?
A bottle of fresh cold milk. And a box of raisins and cookies in a pack. Time for my afternoon snack.
Yeah! Okay, well, look, what do we have? A loaf of bread, a jar of strawberry jam. So what they are, do you know, Mary?
Nope.
That's good. Okay, for example, you know that some words are uncountable. It means we can't count them. For example,
oh, yep. I know.
You know? What you know?
I know about uncountable.
Okay, so you know countable and countable. Now, jam. Can I say 1 jam, 2 jam? No. Can I say 1 coffee, 2 coffee? No. We say a cup of coffee. So we use something, a word to measure. Okay? So we use measure words. They're called measure words, like cup of coffee. Or we have loaf of, when I want to say one bread, I don't say, please give me one bread. I say one loaf of bread. Or if we have two, because loaf ends in F, we say loaves. Loaves, two loaves of bread, okay? So they are measure words, okay? Let me write. Loaves of bread, because we can say loaves. You know that when a word like wolf, when it ends in F and we want to make plural, we need to change F to V, wolves, loaves of bread. But one loaf, two loaves, three loaves of bread. Bag, for example, bag of soil. Bag of soil. For example, I don't say, please give me one soil. What is that? One bag of soil. And we have a jar, as you can see, this one, this. One jar of jam. It can be strawberry jam or any other one. Bottle of water. Please give me a bottle of water. And box. For example, box of seeds. And 1 kilogram of something. Okay, so it can be anything. Well, now look at this one. So they are called what? They're called? Measure words, right? Measure words. Get it?
No.
Why? Look, Mary, I have this, okay? Can I say, give me one water? No. Okay, so I need something. I said a glass of water, for example. Or, for example, a bottle of water, okay? So, or a mug, for example. Okay, so here we have some words that we use to measure uncountable things.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so you know, so they're called measure words. Now, look, circle the correct measure words for each food item. Okay.
A jar of jam, a bottle of, a bag of potato.
Bag.
Yeah.
Yeah. A box of candy, of course, very good. A loaf of bread. Okay, so they are called, I mean, as you can see, we use measure word to count, non-count, uncountable, such as bread and jam, and also use them to count larger number of nouns, such as apples. For example, we can use, for example, 2 kilograms of apples. So you say, okay, teacher, what is that? But apple is countable. Yeah, but because we're going to talk about the large number of something, so we need a word, okay?
Yeah.
Well, now, do you know any other example?
Example. 1 minute. We can talk that. Can you give me a time when we can talk that? Can you give me 1 minute?
For example, yeah. For example,
it's countable, but 1 time is not countable.
Countable. For example, for sugar. Why we say, for example, do you say, give me 1 sugar?
No.
So what can you say?
Give me 1 cup of sugar.
Yeah, it can be. Yeah, for example, so you need something. I mean, you need something, okay? Or 1 spoon, okay? And for example, coffee.
Give me 1 bottle of coffee.
Bottle of coffee? Do you drink coffee in bottle?
Yes.
That is cup. It's cup. Okay. Cup. Okay. Well, or for example, please add when you want to say, for example, a little salt. You say a pinch of salt, a pinch. Yeah? Get it? Or a handful of, for example, rice. So there are different words, measure words that you can use. Now, of course, for this part, it's, you only need to know these: loaf, bag, jar, bottle, box, and kilogram. Okay, well, now, let's see. Listen for sequence words such as first, second, third, and finally. Number the steps. I will explain this word in detail because you need to know. That is really important. Just now, let's listen. 37.
Page 154. Listening. A. Listen for sequence words such as first, second, third, and finally. Number the steps in the order in which they happen. 1.
Did you know that bees help to give us the food we eat every day? This is because bees pollinate many of our plants. When a plant is pollinated, it can grow seeds and fruit. How does a bee pollinate a plant? There are 3 steps in this process. First, the bee looks for a flower to get nectar for food. The bright colors and nice smells of the flower attract the bee. The bee lands on the flower and starts to gather the nectar. Next, as the bee gathers the nectar, pollen from the flower sticks to the bee's legs and stomach. Some bees also gather pollen for food, which they pack onto their bodies. Finally, the bee flies to another flower, often in the same area. As it lands, some of the pollen from the first flower drops onto the second flower. In this way, the bee pollinates the flower, and seeds and fruit can begin to grow. There are other insects that pollinate flowers, but the bee is the most important one. The next time you see a bee buzzing around a flower, remember that it's doing a very important job.
Well, okay, so the first one first. Which one?
First, I will send it to you now.
Oh, let me see. You sent me?
Yeah.
Send me what? Why I have 2 videos here? Okay, so let me see. Yes. First, the bee. So first, you need to write first. The bee lands on, and then we are pollen first. Okay, sticks to the bee's legs and stomach, and the bee's lands. Yeah, very good. Yeah, of course. Just you need to, because they are sequencing words, Mary. So that's really important, right? First, second, third, then. Okay, so that's really important to write. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, now we need to go. So time is up. We need to go and see you at the next. Do you have any questions? Just, let me check. Yes, on Wednesday. I will see you on Wednesday, my dear. Next Wednesday. Then to have a great time. Just, just good luck with your exam, okay? To test.
Yeah.
Good luck. And you will tell me the result, okay?
Okay.
Don't forget. Okay? Get the best, okay? You will do the best. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you.